What's up YouTube? This is your host Emmanuel from sproutflowers.com in another tutorial for WordPress. Let's jump right into it. The first step for anyone to create a WordPress website is to find a host. I personally use bluehost.com because Bluehost gives you a free domain name if the name is same as that of your company. Now, since I have already explained in my last video of how to sign up to Bluehost, I'm gonna swiftly run through this process very fast so that we can move on to our next topic. So I'm gonna quickly sign in into my Bluehost account. Once I'm logged in into my Bluehost account, I'm gonna look for Install Wordpress icon in this page, and once I find it, I'm gonna click Install WordPress, which brings me to this page where I have to give my domain for installation. So I will choose my domain www.winwebdesign.com and then click on next. Install directory exists and it's not empty. It's usually because I've already created this WordPress website, so I'm just gonna confirm that okay, the installation is complete now. So I'm gonna click here to view my credentials. There is always one way to log in into your WordPress account, that is by using your www.wordpress.com/wp-admin link. But I want to show you another way to log in into your WordPress account in case you forget your login credentials, or in case you don't know, or in case you only know your bluehost.com's credentials. You can make use of it. So I'm just gonna show you how to do it. First, we are gonna log in into your bluehost.com's website using your credentials given by bluehost.com, and then you're gonna go and click on WordPress tools. So in this page you have to look for users and you can log in from here. And here we are at our welcome page in the WordPress, and we're gonna quickly look at our site here. I'm gonna click visit site. So this is how our site looks like in the beginning without any notification. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna find plugins and we're gonna add new. So in the plugins page we're gonna find keyword text box and we're gonna type all-in-one WP migration plugin, and we're gonna search, and here it is. So first we are going to install. Once it's been installed, we have to activate the plugin, and you're good to go. Now we have all-in-one WP migration plugin in our dashboard. In the last tutorial we installed WP Nancy plugin from sproutflowers.com, and I want to show you a few other WordPress website designs from sproutflowers.com. So today I thought I would show you the UK apps website design to you from sproutflowers.com. So here we are at the site of Sproutflowers, and we are clicking on the web design page, and we're gonna search for UK apps. So I'm gonna search for it. Here it is, the first one. So we can buy the web designs all together for $199, or we can purchase one web design for $99. Well, this site looks super cool to me. It has everything I need to make my own website. Uh, the UI is stunning. Here is a portfolio page, and it looks really clean and nice. Gives a nice feel. So this is the UK apps website design I was talking about. So in case if you want to buy this UK apps design, you can always visit sproutflowers.com and buy it for $99. Thank you. Moving on, I'm gonna buy this website design and I'm going to put it in my site. So I bought the website design. Now I'm going to import that design into my website. So I go to all-in-one WP migration plugin and then I click import, and the plugin asks me where shall I import the file from, and I'm gonna give file. There are a lot of options available anyway, but I have it as a file, so I'm gonna give file. So I'm going to search in the directory for the file, and here it is, .wpress file of UK apps. So I'm gonna select it and then click open. Right now the plugin is importing my file into the website. I think it will take some time, so I'll catch you back in a few minutes. Alright, it's done. So it has imported my file completely. Now I'm gonna give proceed. So it's done, imported successfully. So I'm gonna close this dialog, and now I'm gonna quickly go and look at my site. Alright, I had a little problem with my web page loading. It's probably because I have not updated all my plugins. So right now I'm gonna update all my plugins. So once I click on update, I am into this plugins page where I'll go and select all the plugins and then update all plugins all together. Now I have updated all my plugins, and now I'm gonna reload the site. Yeah, here it is. So thank you all for watching my video. I'll meet you next time in another tutorial. In the meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for further updates. I can also appreciate if you like us on Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest. Thanks for watching.